Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create recurring tasks in Asana, your comprehensive guide for 2025. To kick things off, the very first step is to log into your Asana account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where you want the recurring task to appear. This is crucial because this is where your recurring task will live, helping you and your team stay organized and on track. Next up, click the Add Task button. This is where you'll enter the details for your recurring task. Remember, clarity is key here. A well-defined task helps eliminate confusion and keeps everyone aligned. Now, once we've done that, you'll want to click on the due date field. Here's where the magic happens. This is where you'll set the recurrence for your task. Click on Set to Repeat and then select the frequency of the task. You could set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. The reason we do this is to automate your workflow and ensure no task falls through the cracks. Moving along, you'll notice an optional field, Ends. Click on it if you want your task to stop recurring at a certain point. This helps us because it provides even more control over our project timeline. If you do not set an end date, the task will continue to recur indefinitely. Finally, click on the Create Task button. And voila, you've just made a recurring task in Asana. This final step is what locks in all the details and sets the task into motion. To quickly wrap up, creating recurring tasks in Asana is a fantastic way to automate your workflow and make sure nothing gets missed. Remember the steps: navigate to your project, add a task, set the due date to repeat, and create the task. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.